You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, Paulie here, and this video, yes, I am cooking outside, but I have a couple announcements to make. So it's not really about what I'm cooking, it's about the announcements. So let me show you what I'm cooking. Oh yes, here on the Expert Grill, doing some burgers. Let's see how this looks. And a chicken breast. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, those are frozen burger patties from Sam's Club. They cost a little bit more than what I think they're worth. I think it was like $36 for a pack of the patties. Can't remember how many. They're okay. They're a little salty. They're burgers. The chicken breast, I have some Meat Church Texas chili powder on there, and I have some oregano on top of that. I'm going to make a little high-protein chicken bowl with some black beans, cilantro, salsa, that kind of stuff. So yeah, using the grill grates from grillgrate.com. They are my go-to. And now time for the announcements. So I got an email from a guy named Ray from Z Grills asking me if I wanted to be part of this collaboration to try one of their pellet grills. It was like over $700, I think, maybe $800, and I was pretty excited about it at first. And I asked him what are the details of the partnership. And he was saying that he wants me to do 4 videos and some shorts. He said long videos. And fact of the matter is, I wish he would have asked me that before I bought the Expert Grill. Because part of our goal moving here was to have less outdoor cooking equipment. And of course I was excited about it at first. And I gave him my address and everything. And again, I started thinking about it. And I sent another email saying I'm gonna have to decline. Tell him I might kick myself for saying that, but what can I do? A lot of noise over here. Now for the second part of the news that I'm going to tell you all, I'll take that in the house. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, a little noisy out there, so back in the house. Now, announcement number 2 is here on the Paulie Detmers channel. When I do a video from now on, at least up until when we go to until we are in the Philippines, I'm not going to monetize my channel, my videos, I should say, until a later date. So if I release like this video, it's not going to be monetized. And I will change that to being monetized after a week, maybe a couple weeks, maybe a month later. Why am I doing that? I'm not too worried about the money. It doesn't really matter to me. I do this because I love doing it. I like doing the videos, I like doing the editing, and yeah, I just like doing. I like doing YouTube, and I'm not trying to make a living off of this. More of a video diary of everything I do. And that's why I did also start the Daily Detmers channel. The Daily Detmers channel. I got 30 faithful there, subscribed. All right. Yeah, my voice is kind of funky. Hay fever is killing me, but I still went to the gym. I still worked out, and I'm still going to go outside. It's late in the afternoon, but I'm still going to go out there and walk about 3 miles. I'll see y'all next time. I appreciate y'all. Thank you.